Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix 144Hz VRR flickering in game console mode on your DREAME TV. So if you're experiencing this kind of flickering after enabling VRR and 144Hz mode for your gaming console, then make sure that you have an enhanced connection type or connection mode ensured for your external device. And to do that, press the gear button on your remote control, then go to All Settings menu, and in All Settings, let's select Channels and Inputs, then select the inputs, and then select the input that you're using for your gaming console, and then navigate down to HDMI EDID version and set it to Enhance for better compatibility. Then you can also try restarting your TV and the console along with it, and the problem should be resolved. If not, try replacing the HDMI cable. Make sure that you are using HDMI 2.1 cable for better transmission speed. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.